This is a little Comfort Air 42-inch fan that's in my aunt's kitchen. I got this from Kmart probably 2 weeks ago. I wanted a cool looking ceiling fan to put here, and I like the look of this one because it looks like an old SMC ceiling fan, like a U42 hugger. It's even got a very similar light kit. I kind of like the look of this. It's kind of cool. It's got really cheap blade arms that I would like to change out at some point. If I can find some polished brass pretzel brackets or something for it rather than these stupid stamped steel things. This thing came out of the box horribly balanced with a very loud motor. It's just up here for the looks. I never ever use it. There's a ceiling fan back there. It's always on, which is an Emerson 1895. And it doesn't make a sound. I'll have to get a video of that one tomorrow. It's too dark back there. It's about 6:30 in the morning right now. I just woke up. So yeah, I just figured I'd get a quick video of this thing. Nothing special about it. Just a little Kmart ceiling fan. Still got the box for it downstairs. I just thought it was cool looking and it was on clearance for 20 bucks. So I figured, what the heck. Anyway, that's it for this video. So, as usual, thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed.